Alright guys, here we are 1 year later. As you can see, I've moved it, so it has been moved, but let's take a look, see how it's held up. You know, even the bottom where I weed whack, it's not even frayed, which is pretty good. I was also careful. You know, some of the sides and the bottoms are frayed, but you know, the top is in better shape than honestly I expected. I expected the sun to really deteriorate it. I have a tarp over there covering my wood, and you can kind of see it's getting threadbare through the first layer, but this one, the UV coating seems to be superior, so you know, I stabbed a few things through the tarp, not paying attention and everything. You can see a few holes over here. It's my own fault, but I'm clearing this out and it's getting moved on to its new home at my brother's house. So I'm gonna pick it up today and move it, but before it leaves I figured I'd give everyone an update on how it's holding together. You can see all the supports nice and straight. It's still tight. I only adjusted it the one time I moved it, and that's it. So it's gonna take it apart and move to its new home, where we'll see how many more years we'll get out of this thing. This is held up through multiple snowstorms during the 2020-2021 winter season here in southern New England. We always get that nice heavy wet snow, usually 6-8 inches. It shedded it really well. Didn't have any problems. I never even went out and knocked the snow off. I did shovel the snow off of the sides here because it would all fall down and then it would collect there. So I wanted to scoot it out of the way so, you know, it doesn't crush the sidewall here. But besides that, no issues, which, you know, I'm surprised because, you know, the frame doesn't look super duper strong, but seemed to hold up just fine. You know, wind didn't take too much damage. I'm pretty sheltered over here though, you know, trees, woods, giant shed I just built, which now replaces this thing. So kind of minimal on the wind front, but held up just fine.